Good day everyone. For today's video, we're going to discuss about solves problems involving logarithmic functions and equations. First, what is logarithm? In mathematics, the logarithm is the inverse function to exponentiation, a quantity representing the power to which a fixed number, the base, must be raised to produce a given number. A logarithm is an exponent. An exponential expression can be rewritten in logarithmic form. For example, if we have 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3, then the base is 2, the exponent is 3, and the result is 8. This can be rewritten in logarithmic form as 3 is equal to log of 8 to the base of 2. Our first problem. Investment problem. Example. If the interest were added yearly to the amount invested at 12%, every peso would grow to 1.12 raised to n in n years. Find the amount in which 250 pesos increases in 10 years of invested under the same conditions. What is our given? F is the missing, P or our peso is 250, R or our rate is 12% or 0.12, our time is 10. What is the formula that we will use? F is equal to P times 1 plus R raised to T. Our F, which is the missing, at ang ating P na 250 times 1 plus our rate which is 0.12 and our time which is 10. So F is equal to 250. 1 plus 0.12 is 1.12 raised to 10. Using our calculator, what is 250 times 1.12 raised to 10? F is equal to 776.46. Therefore, the amount on which 250 pesos increases in 10 years of invested under the same conditions is 776.46 pesos. We have our second problem, population problem. Example. If the number n in thousands of bacteria in a culture is given by the equation n is equal to 3 times 8 raised to t, where t is measured in hours, after how many hours will the number of bacteria be 100,000? Our given, our n is equal to 100,000 and our time which is missing. Based from our problem, it is stated that our formula to use is n is equal to 3 times 8 raised to t. So let's bring down our n, which is 100,000 equals 3 times 8 raised to t, which is missing. Using the property of equality, if we will apply logarithm on the left side of the equation, automatically that we will apply also logarithm on the other side of the equation. And that is property of equality. So log of 100,000 is equal to log of 3 times 8 raised to t. So log, then 100,000 can also be written as 10 raised to 5 because 100,000 is a power of tens, equals what we will do to separate log of 3 times 8 raised to t is we will apply laws of logarithm, which is the product rule. So it will become log of 3 plus log of 8 raised to t. And it is law of logarithm, which is the product rule. Then bring down 5. How did we get 5? We got it from the exponent of 10, negative log of 3. And how did we get again the negative log of 3? We got it at the right side of our equation, and if we will transfer it to the left side of our equation, it will become negative, equals Bring down and copy log of 8 raised to t. To get our time, we will divide both sides by log of 8. So we will cancel, then our time is approximately 2. 4.522 and more divided by log of 8 is equal to 5.1 hours. Therefore, 5.1 hours will be the number of bacteria be 100,000. That's all our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed and understand the solves problem involving logarithmic functions and equations.